Bundled up, unwrapped. Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and cozy English phrase, bundled up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Let's get started. Bundled up literally means to be wrapped or covered in several layers, especially of clothing. It's often used when referring to wearing multiple layers to protect oneself from cold weather. Imagine someone wearing a thick winter coat, a scarf, mittens, and a beanie. That person is certainly bundled up. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. It's freezing outside. Make sure you're bundled up before you go out. 2. I saw the kids bundled up in their winter gear, playing in the snow. 3. Even though it's just a slight chill, she's already bundled up like it's the middle of winter. As you can see, it's a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts, always referring to the act of wrapping oneself in layers for warmth. Some learners might think bundled up refers to being in a hurry or being packaged together, while bundle can be used in other contexts like bundle of joy for a baby or software bundle for a group of software sold together. Bundled up specifically relates to dressing warmly. And there you have it. The next time the weather gets chilly, and you see someone dressed in multiple layers, you'll know they're bundled up. Remember, English is full of colorful phrases like this one. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video.